Good morning, guys. How you doing? How is everything? I hope that everything is okay. And today is a speaking day. So I have here the new topics. Number 1 is playing at home. Number 2 is what to do when the pandemic of coronavirus is over. So what would you do when everything finishes? Number 3 is differences between reading in ebooks or reading in paper books, normal books. Number 4 is talking about outdoor activities. Number 5, differences between going to the beach or going to the mountain. What would you prefer? And number 6 is how do you see yourself in 20 years? So you have to talk about your future in 20 years. You know that you have to roll the dice, and the number that you have to talk about 1 minute and a half about one of these topics. And now I'm going to do a brief explanation about will and going to, because some of you have asked me to do this explanation because of the worksheet about the future. So I have here different things, differences between will and going to. For example, one of the differences are that in a decision that you take at the moment, we use will. For example, someone tells you, for example, your mom tells you there is no milk in the fridge. So you say, okay, there's no milk. You don't know that there's no milk. So you say, okay, I will buy some. And we use going to when it's a decision that you take before the moment of the speaking. So you already know it. For example, your mom says there is no milk, and you say, I know it. I know that there is no milk, so I'm going to buy it when I finish to watch the TV program, for example. Okay? And another differences are, for example, we use will on a prediction based on my opinion, my own opinion. For example, I think that Trump will win the next election. Is my own opinion. Okay, I think that Trump I think that Trump will win the next election. Or, for example, I think that Real Madrid will win the match. You don't know it, but it's what you think. And with going to is a prediction based on what we can see or hear. Is something, is a fact, okay? For example, Trump is going to win the election. And why do you think that? Because he already has most of the votes. So a lot of people have voted Trump. So I say Trump is going to win the election based on the data. Okay. We talk about future facts, and in future facts we use will. It's something that will happen for sure. For example, the sun will rise tomorrow. The sun will rise tomorrow, and the other day, and every day. Okay, every day the sun will rise. Every day the sun rises. So it's a fact. We use going to when something is about to happen. Something, for example, I write here an example like you say, run, the bomb is going to explode, because you see that that bomb is going to explode. So we use going to. And here we can use both of them. For example, when making future prediction, without having a real difference in meaning. You can say, I think it will be cloudy tomorrow. I think it will be cloudy tomorrow. You don't know it, okay? And I think that it is going to be cloudy tomorrow. So it's a future prediction and there's no real difference in the meaning. I know that will and going to is very difficult to know when to use one of them. Also, American and English people sometimes don't know when do they use one of them. But here I have some examples and I hope that it may help you. So have a nice day, guys.